In this video, I'll show you how you can embed your Canva design to your Canva website. So here you can see I've got my website open in the editor, and here's my website which is published, and I've actually embedded my Canva presentation here onto the website. So here is that presentation, and here you can see it's embedded into my website. So I'm going to show you how you can embed your Canva designs onto your Canva website. Okay, so let's start from scratch here. I'm going to delete everything that I've just done. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up canva.com, and you need to then go and open up one, your website, and number two, your Canva design. So for my website, I already have my website designed. I'm going to type in here website, and then we can go to projects, and I can go ahead and open up the website, which happens to be this one for me. Alternatively, you may need to create a website. So that is this project here, which I'm going to edit and add the design to. We also want to open up the design, so go back to Canva and then go obviously to your projects, and then you need to find your design, so that happens to be here for me. Okay, so here we've got our website open, we've also got our design open as well. Now on our design that we want to add, you want to go to share in the top right hand corner, then go ahead and scroll down and click on more, and then once you're on more, you want to go to embed. Now that will give you two options, and you want to go ahead and copy the second one here, which is going to be this smart embed link. So go ahead and copy that. Now once you've got that copied, you can then head over to your Canva website, and you need to obviously make room for it. So I'm going to add a new page by going to add new page here. I'm going to add a page under the home page, and this is where I'm going to embed the project. So now we can go to apps on Canva in the bottom left hand corner. You can then go ahead and do a search for embed, and then click on embed, click on this first one here, embed, and then paste in that link here that you copied from your Canva design. Once you've pasted in that link, then click add to design, and it's then going to add that design to your Canva website, where here you can resize it to whatever dimensions you need it to be, and obviously place it wherever you want. Now you can go ahead and publish a website, so go ahead and click publish website and go through the publish settings. So we'll go ahead and go through all of this. Okay, so now that's live, we can view and preview the website, and it should now have our embedded presentation. So that's how you can embed a Canva design to your Canva website.